If we are able to increase the milk yield by only 1%, that would save us €500,000 per year. I'm Joris Aerts. I am a CFO of the Amalthea Group. We are the largest goat cheese producer of the Netherlands. But apart from goat cheese, in the last few years we are broadening our scope to other goat dairy products. We have a cooperative of 40 farmers who deliver the milk to the factory. The main drivers in dairy is the milk yield. So how many kilograms of milk do you use per kilogram of cheese? And milk is a nature product, so the fat and protein content of milk changes with every truck, with every season, every week. Infor Coleman AI helps us in making this product more stable in terms of quality, in terms of milk yield, and hence customer satisfaction.
My name is Liesbeth Stope. I work at Amalthea and my role is operations manager. I'm responsible for the production plant to make sure that we make the best cheese every day. We have to make sure that we make the high quality product with the same composition, the same taste, the same consistency. We use artificial intelligence to quickly identify deviations in our yield to improve our output and efficiency and sustainability. In the past, it took quite a lot of time to collect our data and make graphs and analyze the data to have insights in our process. Now we have it daily. We can take faster decisions to steer our process and make sure we deliver a high quality product with a very good yield.
Per cheese batch, we have now not only the real-time insight on this milk yield, but this AI enables us to see directly why a certain cheese batch has higher or lower milk yield. For example, did it cost more time? Was the temperature of the milk higher or lower than the average? Was the quality of the milk different? What we also saw and learned is that for some cheese types, we did not have the correct target value in our systems. So for the next batch or the batches from tomorrow, we can immediately change some parameters to make the milk yield higher again. We are live on Infor Cloud Suite. We have implemented Infor in the whole chain. So from the milk reception until our commercial part, it gives us real-time insight in our production data. It's good that we have all the systems of Infor Cloud Suite, including Coleman AI, in place, so we are able to focus on this innovative new products.
I'm Bas Lavrijsen, Managing Director of Amalthea. Amalthea has always been the innovator in goat cheeses. To be the best and take the next steps for the future, we have to keep investing in innovative concepts, and with the Infor system we could manage to speed up the innovative power of Amalthea and therewith the future of Amalthea.